Hello and welcome to Alex Attempts Tabletop. Today I'm going to show you how to paint Dakkajets for Aeronautica Imperialis. We're painting them as Bad Moon, so prime them brown because they're going to be yellow and the brown will help build up the yellow. Oh, P.S. Like, comment, subscribe. That would be really good of you because I'd appreciate that. So we're going to paint it up with Avalan Sunset. Then we're going to wash it with Requiem Flesh Shade. Then a dry brush of Yellow. Then a dry brush of Flash Kits. Then we're going to paint up all the engine parts with Lead Belcher. Then we're going to apply Agrax South Shade to, you guessed it, the silver parts. Then for the canopy, a mixture of moot green and white scarf, or bright kind of snotty green. It doesn't have to be those colours. Then for the red tip, lol, we're going to paint it Memphis red, and then I'm going to apply a wash of Agrax, then dry brush it with a brighter red. Any brighter red will do. Then for the canopy wash, we're going to use Curling Green Shade. And then we're going to put in the inlays of the wings a watered down version of Rhinox Hide. Then for the glaze, we're using Weight Watcher Green. And that's it. That's it clean. So this is footage of it before I made it look all dirty and beat up. So this is for Bad Moon for Aeronautica Imperialis. That was quick and simple, like under 2 minutes, because that's who I am, just straight to the point, giving you the facts and answers, not wasting your time. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see more of. Goodbye, good night, goodbye.